Hi, I'm Christian Olchin.
I'm Lydia Taylor, and today we're doing the enzyme catalyst lab. The objective is how does different concentrations of yeast affect the decomposition rate? And our hypothesis is that the less yeast in the solution, the quicker the rate.
So in this lab, we have a beaker of yeast with 20 milliliters of water added and a graduated cylinder of 20 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, this is our last trial. We've been adding 5 milliliters of water each trial.
So now what Lydia is going to do is she's going to take one of the small discs of filter paper and dip it into the yeast solution. And then she's going to blot it dry on the paper towel. And then as soon as she drops it into the graduated cylinder, I'm going to start a timer to see how long it takes for the disc to sink and then float back up.
Let's just do it.
Okay. That trial took 6.8 seconds, which is different from 6.3 seconds, and that is different from the rest of the results. So that's going to be one of our things that we would need to look into and see what we could change.
Well, basically the conclusion is what have we been?
The objective was to see how different concentrations of yeast affected the decomposition rate, and we predicted that more water in the solution would lead to a quicker rate, and the data on the table in the graph, which Lydia will show you.
This is the graph, basically. So there's one outlier.
The first trial was the one that, other than this one, was the one that did not work the best. And for the most part, the hypothesis was correct. And potential errors or inaccurate measurement of the water that was being added, timing difficulties, starting and stopping it later early, and better equipment that could have been used where a longer set of tweezers to get it closer to the hydrogen peroxide, and overall the results matched the hypothesis of this test.